If you want to see how much storage space you are using in OneDrive, don't worry. Microsoft makes it easy to check your storage usage so you can monitor available space and avoid running out of storage when uploading files. Knowing your storage usage is helpful for managing photos, videos, documents, backups, and other important files stored in the cloud. The good news is that checking OneDrive storage usage only takes a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to check storage usage in OneDrive in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the OneDrive website. Sign in using the Microsoft account associated with your OneDrive storage. After signing in, you will be taken to your OneDrive dashboard, where all your cloud files and folders are stored. Once OneDrive loads, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. In most versions of OneDrive, you will see a storage indicator showing how much space is currently being used and how much storage remains available. This provides a quick overview of your storage usage without opening any additional menus. If you want more detailed information, click the Settings icon near the top right corner of the page. From the menu that appears, select Options or OneDrive Settings, depending on the version you are using. Inside the Settings area, look for a section related to storage management or storage usage. Here, you can view your total storage capacity, the amount of storage currently used, and the amount of free space remaining in your account. You may also see a breakdown of how your storage is being used. For example, large photos, videos, backups, email attachments, and synchronized files may be consuming a significant portion of your available storage. Reviewing this information can help you identify files that could be deleted or moved to another storage location if you need more space. Another useful tip is regularly reviewing large files stored in OneDrive. Large video files, high-resolution photos, and archived backups can consume storage quickly. Deleting unnecessary files or moving them to another storage location can help free up space and keep your account organized. If your storage is nearly full, OneDrive may offer upgrade options that provide additional cloud storage. These plans are often available through Microsoft subscriptions and can be viewed from the Storage Management section. You should also make sure your browser and OneDrive applications are updated to the latest versions. Updates improve performance, security, and account management features, making it easier to monitor and manage your cloud storage. So that's the easiest way to check storage usage in OneDrive in 2026. The main steps are signing into OneDrive, locating the storage indicator, opening storage settings for detailed information, and reviewing large files that may be using significant space. Most users can check their storage usage within just a few moments using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more OneDrive tutorials, cloud storage tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.